You see, are very soft. A bit of chives on top. Those are croutons just done with a little bit of
That's really like a luncheon dish, isn't it?
It is, it is.
I think you have to remember, too, that it keeps cooking in the pan.
It does.
And I was going to garnish mine with a little bit of...
It goes well together. There is things which really go well with
Then I'm
eggs.
going to borrow a little bit of your chives, if I
Okay.
may. Over on that side.
Good Wednesday morning. What are we making today? We're making Julia Child's and Jacques Pepin's scrambled eggs. I will put a link to the original video below. I like my scrambled eggs soft, but man, these are soft. And when Julia's done making her eggs, she adds some raw egg to it to make it even creamier. Jacques adds whipping cream. Basically, the seasoning is just salt and pepper. Jacques Pepin's has sauteed tomato, onion, and garlic. I took some diced tomatoes and a little rotel, sauteed some onion and garlic. You spread it out on the plate, put the eggs in the center, surround it with croutons. There's really not much more to say. Julia Child's and Jacques Pepin's scrambled eggs. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. Now you may ask, where's the whisk? I don't have a whisk. My whisk died a couple months ago. I've been meaning to buy a new whisk, so we're going to use an iced teaspoon. Why? Waffle House uses an iced teaspoon. If Waffle House can use a spoon, we'll use a spoon.
Why don't I have a whisk? Why don't I have a whisk? Nice hunk of butter. Yeah. She put the eggs in before the butter was even melted. Just saying. That's what we're gonna do. Watch the video. She puts the eggs in before the butter's even melted.
Don't pour it all out. That was a mistake. She scoops some out. That's exactly what she did.
Jacques. Melted butter. Jacques goes quicker. With a nice teaspoon.
Okay, it pays to have a whisk. That's okay, we're good. Now, take it off the heat. Get a fine curd. That helps stop it cooking and it gives it a creamy texture. Let's put a lot.
Ooh, that looks good. Perfect. Julia likes her eggs soft. She said that she goes out and tries to get them soft, but they give them to her solid. And we're going to take this off the heat. Here's where she adds in some of that raw egg. I'm not kidding. And it makes it creamy. And she says that they continue to cook in the pan. That looks really good to me. Oh! Oh! Oh my. I know, they're soft. We can't forget the croutons. I tried to find chives this morning, And I couldn't, so we got green onion. Okay, some green onion. I would have liked to have had chives. We served Julia's eggs with smoked salmon. She put 2 pieces of smoked salmon, just laid them on there. Oh, it's pretty. Jacques Pepin's scrambled eggs. Julia Child's scrambled eggs. We have to try Julia's first. Oh. That's really good. Ooh. Even with the green onions. Let's try some with a piece of salmon. Here we go. Oh, wow. Let's try Jacques with the croutons and the tomatoes and the cream. Oh, I really like that. Oh, man. In the original video, Jacques comments on how different they taste. And Julia says, this tastes more eggy. Of course, there's no cream in it. Yes, it might be too soft. I bet you she would eat it just like this. That's delicious. Let's just take another bite of this. Oh, let's try the soft with some croutons. Oh. That's really tasty. I never put cream or milk in my scrambled eggs. My father loved cottage cheese in his scrambled eggs. Not me. But this is delicious. Thanks for joining me this Wednesday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks, Julia. Thanks, Jacques.
They have a different taste. That's interesting.
Yes, they do.
You like yours better?
I like yours very much. I think mine are a little eggier.
Yeah.